We will now learn about a variety of display options inside the PCB environment. Open the Preferences and select PCB Editor, Display. The first area in this dialog is the display options. This includes the option to enable anti-aliasing when in 3D. And we can also choose whether to enable animation while zooming, flipping the board, or switching layers. Below this, we have highlighting options. Enabling highlight in full will have selected objects completely highlighted in the current selection color. If this option is disabled, selected objects are only outlined in the current selection color. Enabling the Use Transparent mode when masking will turn transparency on when objects are masked. For example, you can see through them to objects on layers underneath the mask. Enabling Show All Primitives in highlighted nets will display all primitives on hidden layers when in single layer mode, and those primitives on the current layer for the highlighted nets. When we disable this option, only all primitives of the current layer when in single layer mode appear, or all primitives on all layers when in multi-layer mode appear for the highlighted nets. Enable the Apply Mask during interactive editing to mask non-selected objects during interactive editing. Masking makes it easier to focus on the objects being edited as non-selected objects are faded. Enable the Apply Highlight during interactive editing if we want to have objects highlighted when we are in interactive editing mode. Finally, there is the Layer Drawing Order on the right of the dialog. This region allows us to set the order in which layers are redrawn on the screen. The order that the layers appear in the list is the order in which they will be redrawn. Now let's explore the highlighting options in detail. We'll enable all options in the highlighting options section and press OK to exit the Preferences dialog. Let's jump to Component R4 using the shortcut J, C, and enter R4 into the Component Designator dialog. Then, zoom into the component. We will ensure the top layer is the active layer by selecting it from the layer bar at the bottom of the workspace and enter Single Layer Mode by pressing Shift+S. All layers are now gray except the active layer, in this case, the top layer. Selecting Pad 2 of R4, using the Command Control plus left click, we can notice that tracks connected to that pad are now highlighted, as well as the pads. Pressing Shift+S again, now all other layers are hidden instead of the top layer and the highlighted tracks on the bottom layer. Let's open the Preferences again and select the Display page under PCB Editor. We will disable Show All Primitives in highlighted nets. Clicking OK to confirm. Notice that tracks on the bottom layer are no longer highlighted. Clear any selections or highlights by pressing Shift+C. We can exit single layer by pressing Shift+S until all layers are visible. This concludes our overview of the different display options within the PCB environment.